ONFORU just sent me something really sweet in the mail to open up and review. This is their newly upgraded wired motion sensor light. You can get this in a single pack. They sent me the 2-pack. This comes in brown, black, or white. They sent the black one. Let's go ahead and check this out. Right up top, it has user manual, and this thing is top quality. If you don't know or do know anything about the ONFORU brand, this is the top tier of lighting. This is excellent components all the way throughout, from the frame to everything inside, all of the internals, everything is top of the line. So like I said, this is the 2-pack. ONFORU does offer this in a single pack, and they even have some of their lights in a 3-pack. Yes, you can get it in black, white, brown. This is the set of the black ones, and this is a full metal frame, high quality, durable, rugged construction. It's got that excellent heat dissipation molding right there. It is just top of the line. This thing, when you feel this in your hand, you know you're holding a quality product. Now this main lens right here that comes directly out of the frame has 70 LEDs on it by itself. And these side frames right here, they've got over 40 on each one. So this light alone, you've got over 150 LEDs. And these are 9,000 lumen LEDs. This thing is rated for 100 watts at 0.8 amps. Very, very nice pack. These things have an IP65 weather rating. So they're meant to be outside in all the elements. They are meant to endure all of that heat, cold, water, snow. They are meant to be out there and last and last. Right here on the motion sensor itself, it's got 3 options. There's a timer delay as far as when the light is going to kick on after it picks up motion, and you can set that all the way down to 10 seconds or all the way up to over 7 minutes. There's also a lux setting on here, and that is for detecting daylight. You can actually turn this all the way up, and you can turn this light on in full daylight. And lastly, for the settings, there is a sensitivity for the motion. You can actually adjust that all the way out to 32 feet. So it has a huge range. There's a Phillips head screw right here on the main frame, and that's so you can adjust the main lens right here. And the 2 wings right here, they have such tight tolerances, it doesn't matter how you put them, they're going to stay right where you want them. And this thing is also made to be mounted on a vertical wall, or if you want to mount this on an overhang, it's perfect for that. Of course, you can have this all together and light up one area, and this thing will illuminate over 2,000 feet just like that. If you put these wings out, it's going to illuminate an even bigger area. And this would be perfect for the corner of a house, corner of a building, for general security, general lighting. This is an awesome product. Of course, perfect for your home and perfect for your business because this is industrial grade. Also in the box, you're going to get your mounting bracket and hardware for both lights if you're getting the 2-pack just like we got right here. Everything is sealed right here in the back, even the wires where they go through to meet up with the circuit boards. It has a sealant right there, and it just has your typical wiring right here. You've got live, neutral, and earth. So very basic setup for that. I'll go ahead and adjust this main lens right here. Very easy. Phillips head screw, loosen that up. And everything about this just feels really nice. The tolerances on this are nice and tight, so it's just going to last and last because the quality is there. So you can go ahead and get this adjusted out of the way because you do have a bolt that's going to go through here, and that's what's going to actually hold this to the fixture. But as you can see, you can go ahead and rotate your lens to where you want it, and then obviously you can rotate and spin these outside wings right there. This is a large light, over 150 LEDs at 9,000 lumens, industrial grade. The motion sensor does have 180 degrees of detection, and you can also adjust that about 45 degrees up and down. So it's got a ton of range for sensing and detecting movement. ONFORU does suggest that you mount these lights anywhere between 6.5 to 13.5 feet. That's just a general rule of thumb. Of course, you can go outside of those measurements. No problem at all. You can put these wherever you want. Now, to get the most optimal use out of the motion sensor it suggested that you mount these lights to where the motion is going to pass across in front of it rather than walking up towards it. So if you have these right over a doorway, of course it's still going to pick up the motion and go off. The motion sensor just tends to pick up better for movement that goes across it rather than directly at it. With all that being said, there's nothing left to do other than to go ahead and mount this and get it working. Okay, I've got the light mounted on the wall right there, just to the right of that door. I'm gonna go ahead and walk up here, and this thing is gonna be very bright on the camera when it clicks on. It provides so much light out here. It is incredible how much light this thing provides. If I move these trucks, I can definitely play basketball. It doesn't matter what time of night it is. It is so bright. Just look at the area. Incredible amount of light. And if you want to move those little wing lights around, put this on the corner of your house or your building, you're going to get so much more. But wow, this thing is incredible. The quality is great. I love everything about this. Okay, I went ahead and turned the timer up so I could step away from this light and to show just how powerful this is. There is a line, the shadow and light line, that goes all the way across the street. This thing is amazing. Now, I want to show just how powerful this light is. Look at my shadow. Now, that's my neighbor's house across the street. I can put my shadow all the way on their house. Look at that. This thing is amazing. If you've got a big backyard and you want to light the whole thing up, one or two of these is going to do it. So I am all the way across the street now, and look at that line coming off of that light. That thing is extremely bright. What an incredible motion light. Okay, here we are at night. I've got the light off so it doesn't drown out the camera. And I just want to say, when it comes to this ONFORU brand, nothing that I have even compares, definitely doesn't beat the ONFORU brand. I have several wired and solar motion lights, and nothing comes close to the quality and the output of the ONFORU brand. Everything about them is excellent, from all of the parts and the pieces, the styling, the ruggedness, and that light that it puts out is excellent. Absolutely exceptional. 100% recommend these. If you are in the market for a motion light, definitely check out the ONFORU brand, and this one right here is absolutely amazing. Appreciate everybody watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye now.